Okay guys, so before we get into the styling of the clothes, I think the space could use a little styling of its own. That'll do. Welcome back, you guys, to part 2 of our little series where I'm going to be showing you how to style some of the pieces we found out shopping in part 1. I am aware that my sense of style may not be everybody's cup of tea. It has its fair share of quirks. Even if you don't like anything I come up with, which I doubt is a possibility, you should still stay to the end of the video to see all the different pieces that I utilize in making my outfits and maybe spark some fashion inspiration of your own. My style doesn't really have a set definition. It kind of changes with the mood and my attitude. So hopefully there will be something for everyone. With that being said, let's jump right into the first look. For our first look, which I'm calling Witchy to Worship, because anytime I wear this outfit, I basically feel like an extra off of the season of American Horror Story. Then season 3. That was weird. What's great about this outfit is that you can wear it to church service, wedding, somewhere that I want to be dressy and look nice, but also want to be appropriate and not showing too much skin. Best thing about this outfit, or the magic, if you will, is that I am wearing a very comfortable American Apparel sweatshirt that I got for just $3 and a silk skirt. So I'm extremely comfortable. The shoes we got during our part 1 of our shopping tour, the inspiration behind this outfit mainly started with the bag. I really liked all the neutral colors in it, and so it gave me like a desert wild west vibe that I wanted to continue with the hat and the boots. And the boots being white, I think, provides a nice contrast to the darkness of the outfit. So I think it just ties it all together pretty nice. I also have my little orange round sunglasses that I got from here that are orange to match the skirt. So, matchy. A piece by piece breakdown. We have a hat that we got from here, which I don't really know what the brand is, but it only cost me $3, so that's a win. Shades for $1. Also from here, they were Forrester Grant. This is an American Apparel crew neck, which I think is awesome because it has a pocket. It was $3 from here. This is a skirt from Forever 21, but was bought for $5. And then the boots are Tulips to Kiss, and they were $15. The bag is a Sam Edelman bag, which was normally $128. I bought it at Bargain Hunt for just $10. Alright guys, so for outfit number 2, I'd probably wear this outfit just like out to dinner with friends or maybe to a movie, something casual. But I was really attracted to the textural element of these pieces, and so it's kind of got a multi-sensory type vibe going on with the rhinestones down on the shoes and with this little necklace that I sort of made into a belt. Don't tell anyone. The leather pants, or probably pleather, not really leather, but we're gonna pretend anyway. And then the velvet little button-down flannel and the glitter bodysuit. So for our piece-by-piece breakdown of this outfit, we have the Skechers slides, which were $15 at Bargain Hunt. The high-waisted pants, it was $12, I believe. The bodysuit was actually $3. So was the sequin satchel. This little velvet button-up was $7. Shades were again $1, and the hat was $3. So for outfit 3, it's one of my favorite kind of fits, which it's a sweatpants disguised as dress pants kind of look. Again, comfort is key for me. You can tell the theme. But I got these wide-leg pants at Bargain Hunt. So I like these pants because they're kind of a statement pant. And wearing them, I like to play it kind of simple on the top, which is why I just did like a plain black crop top and then a light denim jacket kind of off the shoulder. Like, oh, I don't care, but I do care because obviously I put this together. Not only is it a cute day look, but you just pop the shoes off and throw those boots on we had from before, and suddenly it's a nighttime look. Prices on everything. My holographic chunky sneakers were just $5. The sweatpants were $7. The crop top was, which actually I think might have been the top to a prom dress, I'm not sure, but it was only $10. And then my NYDJ denim jacket was $12. And then the bag was also $5 because it was during a sale where all backpacks were just $5. And the shades, again, just $1. So for my fourth fit, I decided to do something a little more aesthetically driven. This is when I'm in kind of a mood, you know what I mean? This is definitely channeling some 70s vibes with the blue velvet blazer. I have the little sunglasses because that's super in for some reason this season. I'm a trendsetter. I am, no matter what anybody says. And then this cute little striped peplum top and some high-waisted wide leg pants. A beret, because I've been very into wearing berets this season. For our price breakdown for our outfit number 4, we have some gold shoes, which I realized they're a little much, but they were the only ones that are tall enough for me to fit in these pants, so don't judge. They were $5. The pants were $12. The peplum top was $7. The blazer was $5. The little shades, again, $1, which I almost just took my eyeball out. You didn't see that. So the Calvin Klein bag, which was originally $175, I got yellow tag from Bargain Hunt for $6.30. And also the beret was just $3. So, a win. Alright guys, so my 5th and final look is actually much more representative of the kind of outfits you can catch me in most frequently, and that would be athleisure. So basically I've just taken an oversized Puma baby pink t-shirt and thrown on some biker shorts and a chunky sneaker, and I'm tricking everybody into thinking I'm an actual Instagram model. See? Yeah. This is just super comfortable, casual, still kind of trendy, so you sort of look like you know what's going on without actually having to put that much effort in, which is a win-win in my book. So, also, it's good on days where weather isn't so great. You can just throw on a cute little white rain jacket to go with your white sneakers and your white umbrella. Just because everyone else is under the weather doesn't mean you have to be. So for our price breakdown on this outfit, the sneakers, because they are name brand Fila, were $24 from Bargain Hunt. Then Champion socks, part of a 10-pack, for $3. Biker shorts were $5. The Puma t-shirt was $12. The rain jacket was $7, and my umbrella was $5.25. Yellow tag, so that's a win. And then aviators, just $1, and my Adidas hat, $3.50. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. Remember, if you like it, please give it a like, and also comment which outfit was your favorite down below. If you want to keep up with Bargain Hunt, you can follow their social media listed right here. And if you want to keep up with me, again, my Instagram is @BargainBayBlogs, also listed here. I'll see you guys next time.